Filthy? Wash the funnies under the tap and put them into the right colored trolley. Yellow, banana. Wonderful! Orange, carrot. Wonderful! White, eggplant. That's right! Yellow, pear. That's right! White, mushroom. Genius! White, egg. Genius! Orange, onion. The funny wants to sit in the trolley that's the same color as they are. Orange, bell pepper. Genius! Yellow, melon. Wonderful! Awesome! I'm impressed with your work. Patterns. Help your friends get on the road. Put the funnies from the boxes into the right trailers. Pay attention to the funnies already sitting there. Which funny goes in this trailer? Blueberry. Good work. Who's heading off now? Great! Which funny goes in this trailer? Persimmon. Congratulations, you did it! Comparing. Four. 5. Silhouettes. Drag all the funnies from the trolley to the right place on the shelves. Find the silhouette that matches shape and size to find the spot. Small apple. Good. Middle plum. Good. Small pear. Good. Big apple. Good. Small plum. Good. Middle apple. Good. Middle pear. Good. Big plum. Good. Victory! Now all the funnies are in the right places. Counting from 1 to 5. Feed the little one. The apron will show you how many treats they want to eat. 4. Jelly. Well done! Brilliant! Very good! 2. Cabbage. Well done! Brilliant! Very good! 1. strawberry. Well done! Brilliant! Very good! Thank you! All of them are well fed and happy. Shapes and colors. Let's make some tasty cookies. Move the rolling pin up and down to roll the dough. Drag the cookie cutters to the dough with the right silhouette on triangle. Circle. Heart. Triangle. Heart. Triangle. Circle. Heart. Time for a snack! Decorate the cookies with cream from the tubes and serve them to the little ones. Look for clues on the apron. Yellow triangle. Oh, you did that brilliantly. Red heart. Incredible. Green circle. Excellent. Yellow triangle. Incredible. Red heart. Incredible. Yellow triangle. Oh, you did that brilliantly. Green circle. Green circle. Red heart. Incredible. Bravo! The cookies are delicious. Creation. Let's dress the funny up. Put the accessories that you like on them. Scroll the shelves up and down to see other clothes. Add a finishing touch. Tap the blue button to see the funny dance.